Welcome to the UTrada deposit tutorial video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to deposit money into your account in order to start your trading journey. Let's start by logging into your client portal by using your email and password. Once that is done, look for the deposit window, which can be found to make a deposit at the dashboard page. The deposit section can also be accessed by following funds, deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Choose your deposit method, such as USDT, TRC20 deposit, and a trading account. Then, fill in an amount you would like to deposit. After clicking the button Deposit Now, the page will be redirected to a new one with payment details such as QR code, wallet address, etc. And all you have to do now is to make a transfer and complete the transaction by using your own wallet. Once the transfer has been requested, a transaction record will be displayed at the bottom of the page. And please be aware that you must not leave the page until the status of transaction changes to confirmed. Once that's changed, the funds will be deposited into your trading account. You may go back to your client portal by clicking the Back to Portal section, and you can check account balance at Trading Accounts. And now you're ready to trade. Good luck and have fun.